Hello friends, Vanakkam and welcome to my channel. This video gives the explanation and examples of methods of evaluating investment proposals. What is profits versus cash inflows. The methods based on accounting profits and cash flows in capital budgeting in management accounting. Capital budgeting refers to planning for making investments in long-term proposals or capital assets. In other words, capital budgeting is the process of making investment decisions in capital expenditure. Every business depends upon a successful and making investment in proposals for business concern. So it is the capital budgeting. The capital budgeting provides long-term planning and a good capital expenditure of the firm. The methods of evaluating investment proposals or capital budgets. The methods of evaluating in the long-term investments proposals can be broadly classified into two categories. It is one is method of accounting profits and another one is method based on cash flows. Accounting profit, it is the profit is shown by the accounting records. It is we have to find out net profit after depreciation, interest and tax. But the cash inflow refers to return from the project in cash. It is the net profit after adjusting for non-cash items. For example, depreciation. This picture is clear about what is profit and cash inflows. So we already know that profit is ascertained from the trading and profit and loss account. This is the method of we have to find out profit versus cash inflow. Then profit is find out from this sales less cost of goods sold is report on gross profit less operating expenses is included depreciation. We have to find out gross profit minus operating expenses is profit before interest and tax. Then less interest. We have to receive earnings or profit before tax, less tax, profit after tax. This is the accounting profit. Then the depreciation is non-cash items of expenses. So we have to add the depreciation is find out the cash flow. This is the format of profit versus cash inflow. This picture is provided method of evaluating investment proposals. Methods of evaluating capital budget is based on these two types. Methods based on accounting profit, methods based on cash flows. Then methods based on accounting profits is given in the format of accounting rate of return. The another one is methods based on cash flows is given the non-discounted cash flow methods and discounted cash flow methods. Non-discounted cash flow methods is payback period, post payback period. This is the investment we have to when we get the investment money. So this is the payback period. How many years after we have to receive the investment amount we have to reback. Then post reback period. Then another one is discounted cash flow method of methods based on cash flows. Discounted payback period, net present value, profitability index, net profitability index, internal rate of return. These are the discounted cash flow method of cash flows. These formulas are accounting or average rate of return. In methods based on accounting profit, the accounting profit we have to find out the given formula, average rate of return or accounting rate of return. The formula is average profit after depreciation and tax divided by original investment into 100, or average profit after depreciation and tax divided by average investment into 100. Average investment is original investment divided by 2, or original investment plus scrap value divided by 2, or original investment minus scrap value divided by 2. This formula is we have to find out the average rate of return. This is we have to find out the profits versus cash inflow. The example of this, find out cash inflow from the following information. Profit before interest and tax is rupees 1 lakh. Interest on loan paid rupees 10,000. Income tax rate 30%. So calculation of cash inflow. Before that we have to accounting profit. That means sales minus cost of goods sold is gross profit less depreciation, earnings before interest and tax less interest, before profit before tax less tax, profit after tax add depreciation is cash inflow. So earnings before interest and tax 1 lakh less interest 10,000. We have to receive earnings before tax minus tax 30% of 90,000, 27,000. The 63,000 is earnings after tax, add depreciation. So depreciation will not given in this problem. So the cash inflow is 63,000. This is another example for we have to find out the profits versus cash inflow. From the following information, find out cash inflow.